Kitty are officially on this yacht. We're here in Manila Bay and we're about to take off going a sailboat, and we're about to go starboard side. Here. Starboard. Starboard. We're about to go starboard side. We're here doing a romantic cruise around Manila Bay. So it's pretty exciting. It was raining earlier, but now there's no wind. But the water is really clear and glassy. We're here in Manila Bay. Champagne yachting in Manila Bay. What? My Titanic impression. Where are we at, babe?
Manila Bay.
Manila Bay, and we are yachting. We're sailing. But the wind is so, there's no wind, but there's great lighting. We're just sputtering. Yep. And it's amazing.
There's no wind. We're going to wind.
Just sputtering.
Just go to Malaysia.
Mall of Asia, there we go. What? Back there is Kitty.
Alan!
What?
I found out the secret!
What's the secret? What's the secret, babe?
Taking the good photo from a phone.
Oh, what is it? Upside down?
Yeah, you lose 10 pounds.
What?
It's true.
10 pounds? How? Try it.
Okay, yeah. Where's the phone?
It's a wide angle lens. You gotta flip it upside down. Okay.
Okay, look at me standing up.
What? What is it, babe?
Look!
How did I do that?
How did I do that? He lost 10 pounds. Right?
Yes, babe.
So babe, like that, like that.
Upside down? Why?
Yeah, I don't know. The professional photographer, her daughter, the other daughter is like a professional photographer based in the States.
Mm-hmm.
That's what she said.
Cool.